Hey friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a no-fail pie crust. It's the holidays. Let's get busy. Friends, I am back and I am going to show you how I make a really easy pie crust. This is absolutely no fail. This is perfect. You will love this recipe. Don't remember where I got it, but I've used it forever. So, right here we got 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to put that right in our food processor. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can, by all means, do this with a pastry blender, a pastry cutter, whatever you call them things. I think one of these dillies. You can use it if you don't have a food processor, but this is just the easiest way to do it. Okay, now I also have 1 cup of butter. And it's just chopped up. It's cold. The best thing to use is frozen butter. But this will work just good. So we're going to put that in there. And I'm going to put it all in here. Because I'm just going to grind this up till it's all crumbly. You don't want to handle this butter any more than you have to. So I do it all at once. Okay? Now, we're going to turn this on. I have a hard time with my lid on this. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna maybe oh boy. It's not gonna do it. Let me go. I'll be right back. I'm back. I had to tear it all apart. Oh, this thing. I only paid, this is a KitchenAid, and I got this at a yard sale for $2. And it was fine until I dropped the lid and I broke that little lip thing off inside, so it acts up now and then. Alright, so we're just going to pulse this. And there's a lot in here, but it will work. See how it's doing? I just pulse it. It takes a little bit. It'll get there. There it goes. It's starting. It's starting to get crumbly. You can see it. Pulse it really nicely. See that? Just takes a little bit because you got it full. This is enough for a couple pies. Okay. See that? How nice that is? Also, I'm going to put now that I got it all broke up, I'm going to put my 3/4 teaspoon of salt in there, and my tablespoon of sugar is going to go in here. And I'm going to turn it back on and pulse it up again. Okay? And that'll mix all that in really good. See how nice that looks? Okay. Now you can see that that's all broke up really, really nice, and it's crumbly. See that? Nice and crumbly. So, okay, now I'm going to slowly put, as it's going, right about 6 tablespoons of water, ice water. I got ice in my little dish over here with water. So, I'm going to turn this back on and slowly add 6 tablespoons. So there's 1, 2, 3. You'll see it starting to come together. There's 4, 5. I'm going to have to add just a little bit more because these weren't quite full tablespoons. You see how nice that is? That's going to come together really good. Just keep going until it comes together. I think I may have to add a little bit more. Okay, that's good. It rolled up in a big gob, see it? In a big ball. So, now we're going to take that out of there, move our stuff aside there. I don't want water on there, I got water on my counter. Okay, now we're going to unplug it, take it out of here, move this aside, and I'm just going to lay it out here on the counter. Be careful of your food processor. That I cut my finger one day on that blade. So, okay, this is together real nice. Now we're going to form it real good. You don't got to knead it or nothing. Just form it up into a nice ball. Okay? But I'm going to do mine in half. Because I'm going to make 2 discs. Okay? You don't want to handle it really any more than you have to. Okay, see, there's number 1. I'm going to put that, I just use a Ziploc bag. Put that in my Ziploc bag, just like so, and I'm going to set that in the fridge. Same with this one. Get it balled up into a disc, and then I'm just going to put it in the fridge and let it chill for, about an hour or so, 2 hours. Let it get nice and chilled. And then you can use it for your pies. That's how easy it is, friends. Perfect. See? Just have them just like that. Put them in your fridge for a couple hours. Pull them out. Roll them out. Put them in your pie shell and make your pie. And I'll show you how I do that because as soon as these are chilled, I'm going to be making pumpkin pies. So, when that's all done, I'll be back in a new video and show you the pumpkin pie. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.